Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to increase alarm volume on a phone in 2024. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to settings. After that, we need to scroll down and click sounds and haptics. And here you can swipe to the right, ringtone and alerts or sound. For example, you can swipe to the left and you can swipe to the right. You can also change with buttons. For example, you can click on this setting and you can change sound with buttons. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.